Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the phenomena and mechanism of mechanoreception. Mechanoreception is the sensory detection of physical stimuli that have mechanical energy. For example, the stimuli of stretch, touch, pressure, sound, and gravity. These mechanical stimuli cause physical changes in the receptor cell membrane. For example, deformation, bending, displacement, stretching, etc. Such processes or such deformations occur in the receptor cell membrane. The receptor cells involved in the reception of such physical stimuli are called mechanoreceptors. These mechanoreceptors consist of ion channel proteins. These ion channel proteins are linked to some type of external structures, for example, cilia or sensory hairs, or these are associated with some type of internal structure that can be stretched, that is the cytoskeleton. These mechanoreceptors can be highly sensitive. They can respond to a physical displacement of as little as 0.1 nanometer. Dear students, now we shall discuss the mechanism of mechanoreception. When an external structure physically bends or displaces, it generates tension that alters the permeability of ion channels present in the membrane. The change in ion channel permeability alters the membrane potential. Change in membrane potential results in either depolarization or hyperpolarization. Dear students, now we shall discuss the structure of mechanoreceptors. The simplest mechanoreceptors consist of undifferentiated nerve endings. These undifferentiated nerve endings are found in the connective tissues present in the skin. While the complex mechanoreceptors have accessory structures associated with these mechanoreceptors, and these accessory structures can transfer mechanical energy to the receptive membrane that actually contains the mechanoreceptors. Dear students, we shall discuss different types of mechanoreceptors one by one. Here we shall discuss the mechanoreceptors for touch, pressure, and vibration. Receptors for these senses are embedded in the skin. The gentle touch receptors are situated at the base of hairs. These receptors are called hair end organs. They respond to displacement of hairs, very little movement or very little displacement of hairs. Similarly, another type of touch receptors, which are called Meissner's corpuscles, are found in the ridges of fingertips. These Meissner's corpuscles have encapsulated nerve endings. Another type of receptor found in the skin is for the mechanoreception of pressure. These structures or these receptors are called Pacinian corpuscles and they are situated deep in the skin. सेंस ऑफ वाइब्रेशन के लिए स्किन में एक और टाइप के रिसेप्टर्स भी पाए जाते हैं जिन्हें मर्कल्स डिस्क्स कहते हैं. नाउ वी शैल डिस्कस द स्ट्रेच mechanoreceptors. These stretch mechanoreceptors are found in the muscles of arthropods and vertebrates. They have various types. Most common of the stretch receptors are called proprioceptors. These proprioceptors detect muscle movements. They consist of mechanically sensitive nerve endings associated with specialized muscle fibers. When a muscle is stretched, dendrites receive this stimulus. As a result, action potentials are triggered in the sensory neurons and transmitted to the spinal cord. Another type of mechanoreceptors are involved in the reception of sound and equilibrium. These receptors are found in the middle and inner ear of vertebrates. For both these senses, there is a basic pattern. इन दोनों सेंसेस के लिए स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स या मूविंग फ्लूइड्स सेल सरफेस स्ट्रक्चर्स की डिफ्लेक्शन पैदा करते हैं. यानी यहां पे स्ट्रेच नहीं होगी बल्कि एक फ्लूइड या उसके अंदर मौजूद सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स स्ट्राइक करते हैं एक रिसेप्टर सरफेस के साथ और एज ए रिजल्ट डिफ्लेक्शन प्रोड्यूस होती है. जब डिफ्लेक्शन प्रोड्यूस होती है, एज ए रिजल्ट एक्शन पोटेंशियल्स आर जनरेटेड.